Ready to unlock the power of streamlined tracking and data-driven insights in Google Tag Manager? First, let's understand why. To begin, imagine your company has multiple websites, each with its own Google Tag Manager container, and managing them separately is a headache. Merging these containers is the answer to simplify things. Let's begin this process. We'll start on the overview page of each GTM container. You'll need access to both containers. Identify the container you want to be the master or where you want to consolidate your tracking. This will be the container receiving the imports from the other containers. In the slave container, navigate to the admin section, click on Export Container. This will bundle all your tags, triggers, and variables into a single file that you will download. This file holds all the tracking configurations. Now, go to the master container, head to the admin section and select Import Container. Here's where the magic happens. You'll upload that file with the tracking packages. After selecting the container file to upload, you'll be presented with the merge or rename option. If you encounter conflicts, such as tags or triggers with the same names, choose merge to combine them, or rename the new instances to avoid overwriting the existing ones. Carefully review the changes and select your resolution for each conflict. Once the import is complete, carefully review everything in your master container, the tags, triggers, and variables. Test thoroughly to make sure everything tracks as intended. Preview your changes and then publish. Congratulations! You've successfully merged your containers, creating a streamlined tracking setup and simplified data control. Embrace the power of efficient data management.